Got a Toyota Corolla here. I'm gonna show you guys how to replace your cabin air filter. So we're gonna open the passenger side door. It's gonna be located inside right here. You open the glove box. What you wanna do is you press on this one and you pull it out like that. And then you got a tab right here that you push out like this. And then you do it to over here too, on that side. And then the whole glove box will come off. And then it's gonna be located right here. You have a tab that you just push and open it. I know it's missing the cabin air filter, but I'm waiting for the customer to bring the new one in. So you just pull it out. Make sure when you slide the new one in, it goes the right way. What I would recommend is pulling the old one out and then comparing the new one and putting it back in the same way. And that's it. I hope this video helped you guys. If you guys got any questions, comment below. Please click on the subscribe button. And again, thanks for watching.